everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Catherine and I make videos all about sustainability and wellness. If that sounds like it's up your street, then make sure that you press the subscribe button and tick the bell to make sure you know every time I post. Today's video was inspired by Instagram and all of our baking that we've been doing while in lockdown. And the one that I've seen popping up the most has definitely been banana bread. So I wanted to share my recipe with you because I've been eating it so much. So let's get baking. It is time. Oh my God. And that concludes my video for today. I hope that you enjoyed my vegan banana bread recipe. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up because it helps other people find my channel. Once again, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you stay safe and have a lovely week. I will see you in the next video on Sunday. Bye!